Hi everybody, my name is Chris Donovan. I'm a sales associate at Lightspeed Financial Services Group. In today's video, we will be covering the topic of funding instructions. Our website, lightspeed.com, is a resource for all your questions related to trading with us at Lightspeed. Since today's topic is for funding instructions, we will be navigating to our funding information page. To find your way to this page, you can mouse over the Brokerage Services tab on the top of our website. Click on the Funding Information option from the drop-down menu that appears. This will bring you to our funding information page. Now that we're all on the same page, it is important to note that if you'd like to open a pattern day trading account with us, that you'll need to deposit the minimum of $25,000. This is the industry-wide threshold that designates an account with pattern day trading status. When opening an account with Lightspeed, you will receive wire instructions after your account application has been approved. After your account has been funded, you will receive your login credentials so you can begin trading. There are a number of different ways you can fund your account. Among them are by Automated Clearinghouse Authorization Form, ACAT form, and wire. Please note, we do not accept TransferWise. We will address the three methods of funding, starting with the wire. If you are a new user that funded their account via wire, you will be able to begin trading 24 hours after the wire is complete. Scrolling down a little further, we can see the wire information for both domestic and international wires. This is the information that you'll have to provide your bank when initiating a wire transfer. It is important to keep in mind what is written here in bold text. Wire transfers are permitted between like-named accounts. Please be sure to include your account name and Lightspeed Financial Services Group LLC account number in your wire instructions. Third-party transfers and unidentified wires will not be accepted. The next funding option that we will cover is the ACH. The ACH method can be utilized by applicants who have a U.S. bank account in their name that they wish to fund their Lightspeed account with. As our second bullet point under incoming ACH transfer states, new ACH links can be set up by logging into your Lightspeed account on our website, going to My Account, and clicking on the Fund Transfers link. ACH links and transfers must be initiated through the Lightspeed website or by sending us a completed ACH form from our website. Another nice thing about the ACH transfers, other than the convenience, is that there's no charge associated with them. To access the ACH form, along with our ACAT form, which we will be covering after this, mouse over the Open Account button on the top right of our website. Click on Download Forms, then scroll to the bottom of the page, click on Other Forms, and click on the desired form to download and view it. Now that we've got our ACH form open, let's take a look and see what information is required. In the To field, we're going to input our clearing agent, Wedbush Securities Incorporated. You're going to have to also populate the Securities Account Number section in the top right corner. You may leave the IE code blank. Next, your name and social security number, if applicable, or tax identification number are needed, followed by the name as it appears on your bank account and the bank account number and whether or not it is a savings or a checking account. You're going to have to then indicate the amount you'd like to transfer from your bank account or from your securities account, whether you'd like it to be a recurring transaction, and if so, how frequent, along with the beginning date. If you intend on transferring from your securities account, make sure to indicate whether you'd only like the requested amount transferred to your bank account or if you would like to include dividends and interest as well. It is important that you also include your signature and date on the bottom of the form once you have completed filling it out. Please note, It can take up to 48 hours for the ACH relationship to be established between your bank account and securities account at Lightspeed. It is also important to note that accounts that are funded by check or ACH are subject to a 5 business day hold. After the ACH relationship is established between your accounts, transfers will take 2 business days to complete. Next, we're going to cover our ACAT form. This is our account transfer form that you can use to transfer cash and securities that you are holding in an account with another firm. Go back to our Download Forms page, scroll to the bottom, and click on Other Forms. Then click on ACAT Form. Go ahead and open that when you are ready. Now that we're looking at the ACAT form, we can get into the nitty-gritty. For number 1, your options with an ACAT transfer are either a total transfer, known as a transfer in kind, or a partial transfer. Select the account type that you plan on transferring from for number 2 and indicate whether or not this is a brokerage transfer, a bank insurance transfer, or a mutual fund transfer. The corresponding sections after the choice are what are necessary to complete the form. As you can see, if you chose a brokerage transfer, then you'd have to complete sections A, B, C, and F of the form. For the sake of an example for the video, I'm going to proceed as if I'm completing the form for a brokerage transfer. So we'll be covering sections A, B, C, and F. Under section A, you would input the full title of account that you had completed during your application process. This is the name of your account at Lightspeed. Please be certain to also include your account number along with the Social Security number if applicable, or tax identification number. Moving on to section B, here is where you'd provide the information for the account you are looking to transfer from. You must include the name of the firm your account is held at, the address of the firm, the account number, and your title or name of account there as well. Under section C is where you would indicate if you'd like to transfer your entire account or if you'd only like to partially transfer. If you'd like to do a partial transfer of stock, you must list the number of shares you'd like to liquidate or have transferred in kind. For cash, you'd simply list the amount you'd like to transfer and the transfer in kind option. The last section on the form we'd have to complete, since we're taking the brokerage transfer route, would be section F. This section is fairly straightforward. It only requires your signature and date as well. After your signature and date, your ACAT document for brokerage transfer is now ready to be submitted. You'll be one step closer to starting your trading with Lightspeed. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and have a great day.